Welcome to Tactical Llama EDC. My name is Tom. Today we are going to be testing out the Kizer Muskrat, designed by D. Sharon. This is a fantastic ergonomic fixed blade that comes in 154 cm blade steel, and I'm really looking forward to testing this one out for you guys today. The handle has an Argyle micarta pattern. It's extremely enjoyable to hold, and it just feels like an extension of your hand. Very natural ergonomics. Great blade geometry, extremely enjoyable to use. First up, we have the 1/2-inch Sisal Rope. This was quite simple and easy to get through. It had no issues with the multiple fibers or strands. It wasn't until later that I realized the heel was hitting the wooden block. Next up is the 1/2-inch PVC tubing, which once again was no issue. Sliced right on through that. Next up, we'll do a paper test just to get a little bit of a baseline before we go on to the more strenuous tests. A little feathering demonstration here just to make sure it can do what we need it to do when we're out in the field. Here is the most difficult contender in the testing series. This is the 3/4 inch twisted Sisal rope. It's got multiple, essentially, strands twisted and braided together, and then those are twisted and braided together. And this was the exact moment I realized the heel of the knife was hitting the block. So I moved the rope closer to the edge, and that way I could get the blade pretty much all the way through without the heel stopping it. Next up, we have the 1/2-inch braided tubing, and this requires a lot of strength and force initially, which tests the ergonomics and comfort of the blade. Because if you have to push on something really hard and the blade is not comfortable or the handle's not comfortable, you're going to feel it. I'm going to say it again, this handle and design is extremely ergonomic and comfortable. Now we have the 1-inch in diameter Oak Dowel. This is kind of my batoning test. Okay, that just kind of exploded in half. That was interesting. Yeah, so what I'm really trying to do here is see if I can cause the edge to fold over, cause any burrs, cause any issues, see if that apex holds itself after some good abuse against a hard material. So far, no issues feathering or doing any light work with that exact spot that I was smacking at the Oak Dowel with. Let's see how it does. This will tell us if there's any burrs or if the apex is folded over. It doesn't seem like it has. I'd say we're at least at 99% of the edge is still there. I'd venture to say we're even 100% has remained really, really nice, actually, even after all that. And definitely confirm that every bit of that blade will shave some hair. Still. We're going to finish off the testing with some 3/8 inch just braided nylon rope. I saw it at the side of the last minute. It had no issue cutting through this. Foam here at the end, just letting me know if there's any, once again, weird rough spots on the apex or on the edge. Doesn't seem like it. I'm very impressed with how well this edge is held up against all that abuse. Really awesome design, extremely ergonomic. Derek, Sharon, you did a fantastic job designing the Muskrat, and Kizer, you did a fantastic job, producing and putting it out there. So, well done to you two. Looks like Tactical Llama EDC has a new favorite ergonomic fixed blade on his list, so I definitely recommend this one. Thanks again for watching. Carry your personality.